Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel once again. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get the Omegle mobile app onto your iOS and Android based devices. Now you may have noticed that it's not on the App Store or the Play Store. It's because Omegle doesn't actually have an official app. But I'm going to show you how you can get access to all the Omegle desktop features, the website features, using video calls and all of that on the Omegle mobile app that you can install. Guys, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. So guys, make sure to hit that like button before we get started. And with that being aside, let's go ahead and get started with the tutorial. Guys, as you can see, this is the Omegle app that you can install on pretty much any iOS and Android-based device you have that gives us access to all of the Omegle features straight onto our mobile devices. As you can see, we have option to basically start a chat or do a video call. Now, if you go ahead and search for the Omegle app on the App Store, you will notice that it actually doesn't even exist. And it's not there, but we can basically get this version of the Omegle on any device, iOS and Android. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Just follow along the video. So in case you're using any iOS device, just follow along as I do. If you're on an Android device, just wait a few seconds. We'll get to Android in a minute. So in case you're using any iOS device, all you're going to do is just go ahead and open up your settings first of all and simply scroll down until you see the general settings. Once you see general, just go ahead and click on it. And what you're going to do is make sure this option right here, which is you can see under the iPhone storage app refresh, just go ahead and click on it. Make sure this right here is enabled and it's set to on. If it says anything else other than on, just go ahead and click on it and set it to the bottommost option, which is going to be Wi-Fi and cellular data, or Wi-Fi. It just really depends if your Wi-Fi has, like, if your device has cellular data or not. So just go ahead and set it to the bottommost option. That's what we have to do. Now, once that's done, just go ahead and exit it out. Second thing we're going to do is make sure the low power mode on the iOS device is basically disabled. This essentially doesn't allow us to basically install new apps. So in that case, we're going to have to go ahead and make sure this is disabled. Now for that, all you're going to have to do is head over to the main page of the settings once again and find the battery option. So once you see battery, click on battery. It's going to open up the battery settings. Once you're under there, just go ahead and click on this option, which you can see low power mode. It's set to exactly like this and it's not on. If it's set to on, it's going to look to make the battery icon look something like this. If that's the case, just go ahead and head over to the battery settings and set it to off. Now, as you can see, it says it basically suppresses all of the background activity and downloads. So basically make sure this is disabled or it's not going to let us install the Omegle++. Once that's done, just go ahead and exit out the settings. And okay, there, just go ahead and click on search and search for Omegle. So as you can see, we have the Omegle++ right there. Just go ahead and click on it and click on start. Now this is going to start adding all the stuff that needs to be added on the device in order to get the app. So just wait for this to load a few seconds and it should be ready. Nice. And you should see the app added. Just go ahead and move it to the other page or wherever you want to keep it. You don't have to keep the files that we added in order to get them. And that's how simple it's going to be to get this. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comments. I'll look into it. And with that, guys, that's going to be the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you hit that subscribe button to make sure you never miss an update on Omegle or other kind of apps, sweet apps we can get on our devices. And guys, I'll see you in the next one.